Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to set up your Notion quick and simple. For this video I will show you the basic details that you need to know to start working with Notion, and hopefully I can show you in a quick way and a simple way the most things that you need to know to start working with Notion. So first of all, log in to your Notion account right here. And then from here we click here on private on the plus icon. So right here to create a page. Then we give this page a name, Tommy's dashboard. Oh, that's a strange A. And then after this we click here on add icon. So right now I want to give this dashboard an icon. So yeah, let's do for example this icon, that's fine. Then we click here on add cover, and then we can give this page a cover, but right now he randomized a cover, and if you want to change this, we click on change. We can give this cover a color or gradient right here, maybe a nice picture from here, or we can go to Unsplash and then click on one on the random pictures from here. You can also paste an image link right here, but I like the upload option because then you can just find a nice picture on your PC and then you can upload that. So from now I want to choose my own banner for my YouTube account, double click on that, and then he will upload that picture for your cover. Now, right now he also place it on a very good place, but right now if you want to reposition this, we click on reposition and then you can drag it exactly where you want it. So right now this is fine, and then we do save position. All right, the first step that I want to show you is that I like it to place everything white on the page and in small text. So what we want to do is go to the three dots right here and we click on small text and full width. So right now we have a full page that we can working with. Then from here, first I like to start with a call out. So we do slash and then we do call out. Click on that because I like some quotes or something nice to tell about this page. So let's say create more YouTube videos than you watch. Because for example, I'm running YouTube channels and I want to create a nice YouTube page for myself to work with. Some to-do lists, some planning, whatever you like, but I will show you exactly all the things that you can create here on the Notion page. So right now we created this call out, and then after this we start creating a gallery view to create pages and make tasks. So right now we click under it and then we do slash and then we do gallery view. Click on gallery view, and right now I want to create a nice YouTube search database. So let's say we want to create nice topics or some subjects about topics. So from now we create here a topics list, and then we can click on the page, and then let's say we can call this page finance. Oh, that's not good. Let's say finance, that's better. Then a new page right here with animals. And then a new page right here about, let's say sports. And then a nice page right here about software. So now we have 4 pages where we can write down some good videos. So let's say we click now on this page and then we click right here. And now I want to create a topic. So what we want to do now is I do slash and then I do to-do list, and then behind that to-do list I write down finance video about, let's say something rich, Jeff Bezos, something like that. I don't know if it's with a Z or S, but I think like this. Then we do double dot, and then let's go to YouTube, for example. And then we create a YouTube link. Now I'm doing it for an example. I don't search for a video that costs too many time. But then we go back and I paste this YouTube video right here. This is fine. And then we go away. And then right now we create a topic list with a nice finance video about Jeff Bezos that we can use to create maybe a new video with. So we can do this for animals, for sports, for software. And this is exactly how you can create nice topics for your YouTube videos. Or whatever, if you're a personal user, just for your own topic list or inspiration for a nice new home. Whatever you like, but this is just an example. This is the way how you can create a nice topic list. Right now it's a lot of white here on the background, so I want to add some more color. So what we will do is we go to Google and search for a nice YouTube picture. I like this one. Right click on it, copy image, go back to the dashboard, click your mouse here, and we do Ctrl V right here. So right now he's pasting in this picture. The picture is done, and now we can make it a little bit smaller with the side icon on this picture. Because I like it a little bit more when this logo is standing besides here. But if you can see, he's creating a page right now, so that doesn't work. So we do Ctrl Z. Then we click under this picture, and then we something like test. And then we can throw this picture besides or test like this. So now we created one line, and we have one big line with our topics list. So right now, every time that we want to remake the places where everything is standing, you need to click on the 6 dots, and then you can drag it everywhere you like. But right now, the topic list, I want it just besides the text. And right now we just created 3 lines. So that is how it works. Create this test right here to fix this. And now we click on the 6 dots and we can click on delete. Now we can make this logo a little bit bigger. And right now we just created a nice start of the dashboard with my name, a good quote, a nice picture, and a topic list, how we can start creating topics for our videos. All right, and right now we want to create an extra planning right here on our page that we can plan out the video topics that we found to film those topics. So right now we want to do slash and then do heading 1. Click on heading 1. Oh, I already created one. Write down planning, and then we delete this one right here. Then we can write down under it. So let's say video planning. And then we do this sign right here, and then write down something with video. This is the way how you can create icons with it. Then we do enter, enter, and then we write down Monday. And then what we want to do is do slash, and then we want to click on to-do list. And then we write something down, create video about Jeff Bezos. And then we can do enter and then create a new topic. Let's say create video about Elon Musk, create video about, let's see, does it matter? Let's say Shell, something like that. Then what I like to do is select this Monday. Then we go to the 3 dots and then color, and then give this one a little blue background. So right now, the Monday, the day of the week, is a little bit remarkable. And then what I like to do is we select this, Ctrl C, select it under it, Ctrl V. And then right now I want to drag it right here. Then what we need to do is select the other options and drag it underneath it. And then select these options and drag it underneath there. And then right now change this to Tuesday. And then also give this a color. Let's give this also the blue color. And then right now we have Monday, Tuesday, and then we can change the tasks right here if you want that. But you can do this for every single day of the week if you like that. And this is a nice way to make a planning for your board. Then the last step that I will show you guys, and that is a thing that you definitely need to use, that when you just created this board, the topic list and the planning, you also want to create a nice calendar to plan everything what you want to do. So now you have your planning, but make it a little bit visible and more clear. We want to create a calendar. So let's say we want to do slash and a calendar view. And then right now, boom, you have a calendar right here. So right now, let's say on Monday, we need to create a video about Jeff Bezos. We click on the plus icon. And then what I like to do is to click here and then do slash to-do list. And then create a video about Jeff Bezos. Click this away. Then we go to this page. And then we call this to do, go away. And then right now, if we click on this, you can exactly see in this page what we need to do on this day. So when we have our calendar right here, we can create a very nice planning for every single day of the week. And then you start it at the bottom, then a step further with the planning right here. And then you can fill in the planning here in your calendar. And then when you click here on the planning, you can exactly see what you need to do on that day. So this is in a nutshell exactly how you can start working with Notion. If you have any questions about this software, please comment them below so I can help you out and tell you exactly what to do. There will be more videos about Notion on my YouTube channel, so please check out those videos, because sometimes I take more time for creating those videos, because now I need to show you in a nutshell as quick as possible how to create a dashboard, and then I can show you for every single step as many time as good as possible how to do things in Notion. So this is exactly how this worked. Hopefully this was the video where you were searching for. Then from now, thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.